Namaskar. Today's topic is 8-step Chakkar. I have already discussed about Chatushrajati, Tigdha Dig Dig, Tigdha Dig Dig, or Tathe The Tat, Athe The Tat. Now, if your concept is not clear about Jati, please do check my lessons about Jati. Now, let's do the 8-step Chakkar. At first, we are concentrating in our footwork. So, the first one is first right, then left, then right, left, left flat, left brush, then left flat, right flat, left flat, right flat. Dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Again, dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Now I am taking the spin. Dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Or ta, the, tat, the, tat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat, 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 brush, flat, 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 brush. Turn, 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 turn. Now the turning is divided into 8 segments. That is dha, din, din, dha, din, din, dha, na, tin, tin, na, tit, din, din, dha. Or dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Or ta, the, tat, the, tat. Now once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Flat, hill, hill, brush, flat, hill, hill, brush. Or you can, if you are ending in that session, you can tap here. Or if you want to continue, then brush. Dha, din, dha, din, dha, na, tin, na, tit, din, dha. Dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Dig, dha, dig, 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 dha, dig, dig. Ta, tat, the, tat, ta, tat, the, tat. If you have any query or doubts in this section, please leave a comment in the comment box below and also share this video amongst your group as knowledge increases by sharing. In future classes, I will be sharing you some variations of chakkars and techniques to perform them, like 5-step chakkars, 4-step chakkars, 3-step chakkars, 2-step chakkars, 1-step chakkars, and even half-step chakkar. Hope you enjoyed today's class. I will be uploading a new tutorial every Sunday. So subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select the all option to never miss an update. You can also like, comment, share and send your feedback. For detailed online and offline classes, you can contact with me via email. You can find my email address in the description box below. So, stay connected, stay safe and keep learning. Happy dancing!